eufyMake just introduced some brand new accessories for their E1 UV printer. We have an exhaust fan kit and a purifier. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how these work, how you install them, what they do, and who they're right for. Hey, I'm Sarah, you're watching Creative Ramblings. I have talked a lot about the E1 UV printer here on this channel. If you are new to this printer and want to learn more, definitely take a look at those other videos to get yourself familiar with the machine and everything it can do. Today we are talking about two brand new accessories. So in this video, we're going to cover what those accessories are, how you install them on the machine, how they work, and who they're really meant for. So let's start first by talking about the E1. This is a home use UV printer. It is perfectly safe to use in your home studio. In fact, I use it here all the time. I actually move it around throughout my home. I'm in my studio right now, but I have this up in my craft room sometime, which is just off of my living room. When the doors are closed and we've got the mini bed on the inside, there's no need for protective eyewear, and we have an air filter in here that filters out any of those odors that are coming off of the UV print. So I use my printer like this all the time. When I'm using the larger standard bed and the doors do need to be open, then I'm wearing those protective glasses, and I usually have a fan running and a window open. All that to say, the odors from this machine don't bother me, and it is perfectly safe to use in your home. eufyMake has listened to feedback, and there are people who are sensitive to the odors that are put off by a UV printer. So they have come out with two accessories to help alleviate some of those smells and allow you to really just focus on creating and focus on your projects. The two accessories that have launched are the exhaust fan kit and a purifier. They are meant to be used separately, not together, and they're for different people. So the exhaust fan kit is going to hook up to the machine. It has an inline fan that sits off of it, and then it vents out a window. So I've got a window right here. If I'm using my printer here, I can easily just vent it outside. The exhaust fan kit is meant to be used if you are in a room that has access to a window. The other option is a purifier. Now this can be used anywhere. It's going to attach to the machine, sit on the table right here next to it, and filter the air without needing a window. So the purifier is ideal to use if you don't have that direct access to a window. So let's start with the exhaust fan kit. Let me show you how to install it. When you get the exhaust kit, this is everything that comes with it. It works seamlessly with the machine. So we have a hose to connect to the back. We have the fan that pulls the exhaust out, and then one that sticks out your window. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about how to install this, but I'm not going to go through everything. Eufy has a great video and written instructions on how to do this, so you can walk through this quite easily. This whole setup is really seamless. I like how it attaches to the front, right where that air filter normally would be. And then we've got a hose coming to the exhaust fan here, and then this one, which can go right out my window. So you can just stick it out a window, or for some of my lasers, when I vent them out a window, I have a piece of plywood with a hole cut out that matches the size of the exhaust hose. And then it gets very cold in the winter, it gets warm in the summer. So when I'm not using it, I'm able to just pull the piece of wood and the hose out of the window and then put it back when I'm ready to use it again. There is also an additional component for this one. It is a little wall mounting kit. So I can take this whole thing and mount it to a wall, either vertically or horizontally. So if you have your printer in one spot, you are not moving it, it is its permanent workbench, that is a really cool option because you can mount this fan right next to your window and have it permanently exhaust out. I mentioned earlier, I do move my printer around, so I am not going to use that mounting kit, but I do love that it's available. So when you are printing, when you hit that start button, you want to turn your fan on. So this is the first speed. it is really quiet. And you can go up to a top speed. There are 3 options, and I think it tops out at about 40 decibels. It is not a loud fan, but it is very powerful. So between this and the machine, you're really not getting a lot of noise while you're working. So this setup is ideal if you are wanting to get rid of some of those smells and just vent them right out a window. Now the other option is a purifier, which does not vent out a window. It is all enclosed in kind of one piece. Let's take a look at that. The purifier uses the same setup on the front and the same type of hose. So we just take off the exhaust fan. And this is the purifier. On the back is a place to attach that hose. And then on the side over here is a place for the power cord. So we have the purifier connected. That is a really easy setup. Inside here is the filter. And we have, it is a very large, heavy filter. We have 1 HEPA filter and then 6 layers of activated carbon filters in there. So this is going to clean the air and really remove any odors that are coming from your printer without having to vent this out a window. So if you are in a windowless space, this is ideal. The other thing I like about this is that it pairs automatically with your printer. So when you start printing, this is going to adjust the level, so the speed it needs to go at, to match your printer. So you don't really have to do anything other than turn it on, initially pair it with your machine, and let it go. You can also manually adjust the speed on this, just like the exhaust fan. So if you don't want to manually pair it, or you want to just manually adjust the speed yourself, you can with this little button right here. It does have 3 speeds. And again, this is fairly quiet. Considering some other air purifiers I have, some of them can get kind of loud. So those are the 2 new accessories available for the E1. We have this purifier right here, and then we have the exhaust fan kit. Both are meant to reduce the odors that you may smell when we're printing with the UV printer. Now, just to reiterate, this is perfectly safe to use as is, and up until I got these accessories, I was using it as is. When it's fully enclosed, I really don't smell anything. When I'm using it with the larger bed and I have the doors open, like I mentioned, I might have a fan on, I might have a window open, but it is perfectly safe to use in your home. These accessories are a really nice addition if the odors bother you. So go ahead and add on the one that works best for you. Personally, I will be using the P1 purifier because my printer is not stationary. I use it down here in the studio to film, and then it works in my craft room as well, where I use it for most of the projects that I'm making. So it makes a lot of sense to have a purifier that can move around with the printer. Now that exhaust fan kit is great if you want to vent out a window. I also love that it has the wall mount. So if you have your printer in a permanent position, go ahead and mount that fan to the wall and you've got a great little setup for exhaust. Now these products just released, so I am going to link them down below. You can click on those links and take a look at pricing and shipping and any other details that you may want to know about these items. Now, if I missed something here, if you have further questions on the exhaust fan kit or the purifier, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to chat with you. And if you are new to the E1, take a look at the other videos I have. We've got some really helpful, informative videos on how this works and what you can make. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'm here every week with new videos helping you move forward in your creative journey. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.